Okay. I want you to treat me as a pupil at the train stage.
Okay.
I've had all my lessons with another instructor who can't make it today, so I've never met you before, yeah?
Yeah.
I've got a test in 2 weeks' time. And my instructor who can't make it today, but he has got the same car as you, so I am familiar with the controls. He said he was going to look at my T-junctions.
Okay.
That's emerging left and emerging right, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, so for this phase you can call me Tony.
Okay.
Are you okay with the word picture?
Yep. Fully trained. Test in 2 weeks. We're going to look at T-junctions.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi there, Tony. I'm George.
Hi, George. Nice to meet you.
Pleased to meet you. Sorry Fred can't be with us today, but I spoke to him last night on the phone.
Yeah.
He's telling me you've got your test in 2 weeks.
Yeah.
And we were just wanting to get some practice in today for T-junctions.
Yeah.
Just before your test comes up. So the T-junction, it's your emerging left and emerging right, from minor roads into major. Okay. Could you tell me how do you identify a T-junction?
You know what Fred always does?
Yeah?
When he's talking to me? He always takes his
Takes
sunglasses
his
off.
sunglasses off, doesn't he?
Yeah, he said it's...
It's a courtesy thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. My apologies.
Yeah, sorry, go ahead.
Okay. Yeah, so T-junction.
Yeah.
Can you tell me how would you identify a T-junction?
You get a lamppost quite often opposite.
Yeah.
You see vehicles going from the left to the right, right to the left. You get road markings. You sometimes even get a road sign to say with a T.
Yeah. Okay. As you're approaching a T-junction, what's the first thing that you would do?
Oh, I do my hazard routine.
Okay. And just with your hazard routine, what's the first thing you do in your hazard routine?
Mirrors.
Brilliant. And what mirrors do you check first?
Sorry?
What mirror would you check first? Have you lost something?
I check the middle. It depends which way I'm turning, but I'll check the middle first. Yeah, go ahead, I'm just...
Okay, so you check the middle first, and if you were turning right, what would you check after the middle?
The right.
Oh, okay. And why do you check them in that order?
Because I need to know what's happening.
Okay.
Yeah.
What would you do if you checked the right mirror, there was something overtaking you?
I'll let them go.
Okay. And if in your left, you were turning left, and then you checked your left mirror, what would you be looking out for there?
Oh, bicycles and mopeds.
Okay. And what would you do if there was any there?
I wouldn't turn.
Okay. That's fine. And if you want to get yourself set up, and then we'll go.
Yep.
Okay. And can you tell me what can you see in the middle mirror there, please?
You see this black frame?
Yeah.
I use that as a picture frame. I use the back window as a picture, and I put the frame around the picture.
Okay.
And I hang it square. I can see the whole of the back window.
Okay.
I can even see a bit of my head restraint, and a bit of my left ear, and a bit of your head restraint.
Okay. And what can you see in the right mirror there?
I like to see the front door handle in the bottom left-hand corner. I can see the pavement, and I can nearly see the top of them buildings.
Okay, and in your left-hand mirror there, please, Tony.
The door handle in the same place. Road, horizon, and nearly the top of them buildings.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah. You're ready then, and we can move off?
All right. Right, I'll reverse back here out road, okay?
Yeah. Back and roll.
Yeah. And turning left.
And turn left, please, Tony.
And turning left.
And turn left, please, Tony. He's checking your mirrors there. This isn't a T-junction. What would this be, Tony?
Oh, it's a crossroads. And turning left.
And turning left, please, Tony. So what have we got in ahead of us?
Oh, it's an emerge.
Okay. Good mirrors there. Down with the signal. When we're coming out of emerges, what observations do you do as you come out of an emerge? Say left or right?
Right, left and right, and in the direction I'm steering.
Okay.
Right, did I not do the proper observations?
No, sorry, your observations were fine there. When we come out of the emerge, with your road positioning, where do you want to keep the curb as you come round the corner?
I'll follow the curb round,
Okay. And why would you do that?
so I don't mount it.
Okay. And how would you keep the curb in the position that you want to keep it?
I just follow it round the corner of the window.
Okay. But how do you control the car to do that, Tony?
I don't know what you mean. Did I make a mistake there?
Yeah. When we came out, you started heading towards the curb.
I don't know why that happened. Is it because I'm not steering quick enough?
Yeah. When we come through the junction, and you're steering, do you know that the pull push?
Oh, it's there, yeah.
Okay.
Just out of road.
Yeah.
Think back to your part 2, what you used to do,
Okay.
which I told you would come back and bite you in the bottom. Yeah, that's all I'm saying, all right?
Yes, got it. So.
So yeah, you're gonna have to wait till it happens again now.
Mm-hmm.
You haven't spotted it, have you?
No, I've not.
And turning left.
Turning left, please, Tony.
You didn't mind me putting the air conditioning on, did you?
No, I don't mind that at all.
I have to do these things on my own.
I was going to say, it's your lesson, so setting the car up how you like it. Lovely day, isn't it?
Beautiful.
Nice day for a drive.
16 degrees.
In Scotland, they call that summer.
Not going to start singing we were all going on a summer holiday.
No, I'm not going to start singing, don't worry about that.
Oh, I thought you'd done a bit of karaoke, Fred told me.
I do like a bit of karaoke. There's even an app on my phone that can do it now, so yeah.
Is that why you're barred from every pub in...
Not every pub.
And we're going to turn right.
Oh, we're going to turn right, please, Tony. Good mirrors on approach there.
Turning left.
And turn left, please, Tony.
For workmen.
I don't think you'd see them working on a bank holiday, actually.
Sorry?
I didn't think we'd see any on a bank holiday.
Yeah, he's on triple time.
Probably.
And turning right.
And turning right, please, Tony. When we come out of a T-junction, Tony, or come out of an emerge, when is the right time to change gear?
As soon as you hear it.
If you can see there, we actually ended up over on the other side of the road because you were changing the gear like
Yeah.
halfway through completing the manoeuvre.
Yeah, I don't know what happened there.
Okay. What we need to do is pull out, be on our own side of the road, and then as we accelerate, we then can change the gear once the vehicle's straight and steady, and it's stable. Why do you think that would be
Just get me
important?
to stop on the left.
Just stop on the left here, Tony, please.
That's not explained very well, is it?
No, it's not.
Let's try English, shall we?
Yeah. Why did you change gear?
I already told you why. Because I could hear the engine actually out there telling me to.
That means you've accelerated too hard.
We're at roll at the moment, yeah?
Yeah.
Think back to the mock test I gave you a week before you passed your part 2 with no driver faults. Yeah?
Yeah.
What did I give you a driver fault for?
When I turned gear halfway around the junction coming out towards
Say that
Slipgate.
again when you
When I changed gear halfway through the junction,
right,
kind of left, and I went down a gear halfway around the corner.
yeah. So do you want to try watching me a bit closer on the next one? Yeah?
Yeah, I'm trying to think how you.
Watch me closely on the next one, yeah?
Okay.
I'm not going to give you the answer because I know you know it, yeah?
Yeah.
And we're going to turn left. Turning left.
Turning left, please, Tony. What gear will you stay in until we're straight? Pressing the wrong thing. Joy, can you pull in the left, please, Tony?
Sorry?
Can you pull in the left?
On the
please,
left,
Tony?
pull up
Yeah.
again.
Yeah, please. Sorry, although I'm trying to cast my memory back to when you gave me the feedback on the Mach 2.
Mid-turning,
Yeah,
yeah? I'm changing gear.
yeah. Which is dangerous.
What's happening to the car?
It's you're losing control of it.
Yeah, on the left turns, it's nearly gone up on the pavement.
Yeah.
What do you think is going to happen on the right turns?
You're going to end up on the other side of the road.
How are you going to get me to stop that? What am I doing that's causing it?
Changing gear mid manoeuvre.
Why don't you come out with that? Yeah?
Okay. Got you.
So what's the remedial action?
The remedial action is to stay in the same gear until you've completed the manoeuvre.
So what are you going to say to me on the next emerge?
What gear? No, not what gear. When are you going to change gear?
I haven't had the remedial action yet. Back in roll. What's the remedial action?
The remedial action is to stay in gear until we're straight. Okay.
Okay.
Yep. Move on when you're ready, please, Tony.
And turning left.
And turning left, please, Tony. we'll stay in the same gear till we... No, this is not the merge.
And turning left.
And turning left, please, Tony.
And turning left.
And turning left, please, Tony. When we pull out, I'd like you to stay in the same gear until the car's straight.
You mean the wheel straight?
Until the wheels are straight. Now change gear. Do you know why that's important, Tony?
It didn't shoot into the left or go anywhere near the curb this time.
No. Do you know why that was?
I can't multitask.
No, it's this. If we change gear whilst we're halfway around a corner or mid-manoeuvre, what do you think happens to the car?
Well, my wife does it and she does it okay. And turning right.
And turning right, please.
Yeah, my wife does it all the time and she does it okay.
So,
So we wait here for a second.
yeah. Why?
Yeah, my wife does it and she does it okay.
But it's made your car unstable when you came out the previous ones, yeah?
Yeah, what's my wife got who's been driving for 20 years that I haven't got?
She's got 20 years experience that you don't have. Yeah, your wife's got 20 years experience that you don't have behind the wheel.
Cool, it took you a long time to spot that error, didn't
It
it?
did take me a long time to
Yeah?
spot that. Yeah. You gave me a real big lifeline as well.
Yeah. You had a habit of doing it yourself, didn't you?
Yeah,
Yeah?
yeah. So what are you going to do with your gears, Tony?
I'm going to wait till I'm straight.
Okay. Now why did we do that?
Because I could have lost control and shot over and mounted a curb and killed pedestrians or knocked somebody's garden wall down.
Do you want to take responsibility for that?
Yeah, I think I've got it now, yeah.
Okay.
Took a while, didn't it?
It did take a while.
Must be the slowest learner you've ever had.
Maybe I'm the slowest.
And we're going to turn left.
And turn left, please, Tony. And what mirrors should you be checking?
Middle and left.
And why do we check the middle one?
See how close the vehicles are behind me.
And why would we check the left one?
See if any bicycles and mopeds are there.
Okay, what would you do if there was a bicycle or a moped?
I wouldn't indicate and I wouldn't steer.
So it's important that we do that one, yeah? What mirrors would you check if you were emerging right?
Middle and right.
Okay, why would you check the...
And we're going to turn left.
And turn left, please, Tony. That's good mirrors on your turn in there. It's the same that you would actually use on your left emerge
Oh, right.
for a left turn. Yeah, and if you were emerging right, what mirrors would you check then?
Middle right.
Okay, and why would you check the right one?
Anybody overtaking me?
And what would you do if someone was overtaking?
I'd let them go because otherwise they'll hit me. And turning right.
And turning right, please, Tony. It's busy here today.
Yeah, pedestrians cross anywhere, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
And turning right.
And turning right.
Yeah, they cross where they like, don't they?
Yeah, they do. What would you do if a pedestrian came out in front of you?
Sorry?
What would you do if a pedestrian did come out in front of you?
Stop like that.
Yeah. Although where did the back of the car end up there, Tony?
Well, he walked straight out in front of me. I didn't have a lot of choice, did I?
Yeah. No, you didn't actually. But yeah, pedestrians, as you've just seen, they do cross wherever they want.
And we're going to turn right.
And we're going to turn right, please. So what mirrors are you going to check, Tony? And what we need to do is we need to get that right mirror check in before we put the signal on.
Oh, that doesn't make any difference.
Well, if
You're just being picky now.
well, if there was somebody behind you,
Yeah.
and was trying to overtake you, and you put a right signal on, you didn't know they were there. What could happen?
Oh, I get you. They'll probably get frightened
Yeah.
and panic.
And then again, if you're checking the left, why do we check the left mirror when we're doing our emerges?
I think I told you that bicycles.
Yeah. And if you put the signal on before checking, what might the cyclist do?
Panic. See if the indicator come on, he might fall off. And turning right.
And turn right, please, Tony.
And turning right.
And turning right ahead. So what junctions is that ahead of us?
Merge.
Okay. So what mirrors are you checking?
Middle right.
Okay. That's good with mirrors there. And lift your clutch up, please, Tony.
My clutch is not down.
If you want to, I'm going to say if we go over, please, Tony. So where was your clutch there, Tony, when we approached?
Up.
It was up. So what speed did you approach that junction at
Want me
then?
to stop?
Yeah, please. Pull in the left.
I'm going to come out of roll in a minute, yeah?
Yeah. I thought your clutch was down.
You're going to have to start watching me a bit better, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No, I never went anywhere near the clutch, yeah? What was the problem?
Too much speed.
Speed and approach, wasn't
Yeah.
it? Yeah? You should have been a lot more proactive there.
Yeah.
Did you see the car even attempt to slow down?
No. But I thought